I have been craving a breakfast like this. I'm so excited to devour this right now. Happy Monday, you guys. So I do plan on going out later. I'm gonna like go to the store. I'm gonna go to TjMaxx and I'm gonna go get lunch and just have a little bit of a day out for like a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that right now. It's only 10:20 and I do have some like house chore things that I need to do. I need to do laundry. My room's kind of a mess. I know I made my bed earlier and cleaned that up, but the rest of my room is not looking too good. And then I'll probably leave around like 11:30. I'll probably read a little bit, which brings me to, I just want to say, I have decided to make a separate book channel. This is just something that I decided because I had actually considered turning this into partly a book channel, but then I just kind of like realized that not all of my subscribers on here on this channel read or like books or like to hear about books. So I've decided to make a separate book channel, so I will have that link down below. So this will just be like my vlogs and my life, my productive videos, and then over on that channel I'll have all of my book content, which means that this channel will like lack that now. I won't be talking about books or anything on this channel. It'll all be on my other channel. So if you like reading, if you like to hear about books, definitely go subscribe to that channel. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to do a little bit of house chores, do a little reading, and then we can go have a fun little day. Okay, so it's actually 12 o'clock now. It's 11:58. I had to wait till my mom got home. She actually took my car for a little bit. I'm going to TjMaxx. I'm not like a TjMaxx home goods type of girl. Like, I love them when I go, but like I literally never ever go there. TikTok has made me want to go there. Like several times a week I will see something on TikTok from TjMaxx or home goods and I'm like, oh my god, like I need to become a TjMaxx home goods girly. That's where I'm going right now, but it's mainly because I want to try to find like a good shampoo and conditioner, but like for like cheap. And I know that they have like that beauty section, discounted beauty section in TjMaxx. I'm like pretty sure that's a thing. Again, I don't really know TjMaxx very well, but I think they have that. I literally don't even know. This could be like a mistake. I don't know. We'll see. I also want to like look around home goods for like a little bit, just to like see like if they have any cute like fall or probably Christmas stuff by now. We'll see what they have. Also, the New Orleans surprise songs, diabolical. Taylor Swift, I am coming for you. When she sang Call It What You Want, my days of being a Swiftie over. Call It What You Want is my favorite Taylor Swift song. It's my favorite song, period. She's so mean for that. So mean for that. But then just all of the songs she brought Sabrina Carpenter out. Last night she sang Dress and Afterglow and Clean. Oh. Cute these are. They're little Halloween themed. So I got a vanilla and a French toast flavored donut. I don't know which is which, but I'm not gonna eat these right now, but they look so good. They smell so good. I know they're so good. I also got a soft pretzel. I love getting their soft pretzels. They're literally, it's a pretzel, but it comes with cheese dip and it's just so good. So I get this like every time. And then I also got mac and cheese, which I'm gonna eat later. And then I also got Micah a breakfast sandwich, which he's also gonna eat later, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat my pretzel now. I'm not gonna lie, TjMaxx was so overwhelming. I was not expecting the amount of people that were there to be there. I don't know, I just assumed that there wouldn't be that many people, but I literally couldn't even turn the corner without someone being right there. Like, it was just, there were too many people. I was so overwhelmed and there was a lot to look at. They had so many products. I didn't even know where to start, so I literally didn't even look at everything. I just, come on I just saw what I needed and I grabbed it. So first of all, the only like set of shampoo and conditioner that I could find that like I recognize the brand of is this. I honestly know nothing about this. I've used like this brand's like soap before, I'm pretty sure, and it was really good. So I'm just hoping that these are good. And then I love Ariana Grande perfumes. I had Cloud and Sweet Like Candy, but both of those ran out. So I just saw like these, and like I feel like they don't smell exactly like it, but they're like close enough. And this was only $8, but I saw like Thank You Next, I saw Sweet Like Candy, and I also saw Moonlight. And so I'm like, might as well. Like I like sniffed it from the top. I didn't want to, let's put it to the test. Yeah, it's not exact, but it's like close enough. Hi, Junka. And then I've been loving using under eye masks in the morning, because when I have to go to work with my dad, I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and I love using under eye masks. They just make me feel more awake. They like refresh my eyes. So hopefully these will be good. I've never tried these. I ran out of my really good kind, so hopefully these will be good. And then lastly, I actually saw these on TikTok, so I'm really happy that I found them. They were literally in the checkout line. Like, you know how they put like a whole bunch of products like in the checkout line so that you're like literally forced to buy something? These were there, and they're so freaking cute. They're just little drinking glasses, but they have gingerbread men and snowflakes on them. I can just picture myself using these during the holidays, and I just like, I want to make cute like TikToks and stuff with these glasses. And they're just so freaking cute. They're so cute. And I could just picture myself drinking my coffee or my matcha in them. So yeah, that's my whole haul. I could have, like, literally, I wish that like I wasn't so overwhelmed. I wish I didn't get so overstimulated so easily, but like literally it was so crazy. But there was so much more to look at. I didn't even look in the home goods section, but there was so much stuff. Like as I was walking out, I was like, dang, I wish I could have looked at all that. But I'll go back. I'm gonna go back because there's so much that I missed out on. Just maybe at a different time of day. Maybe not at 12:30 in the middle of the day. I'm a little stupid when it comes to working out, so please don't judge me. Please don't make fun of me for the workouts that I just did. I kind of just do my own little thing, which probably isn't the best idea. I should probably be looking at some kind of video or something, but I just kind of do my own thing for now. I'm really trying to get back into like an active era. I do not work out. I have like the worst relationship with exercise. I just can't get myself to do it. A couple times a month I can get myself to go on like a walk, and that's literally it. So I'm like really trying to start from like the bottom and just work my way up. And whenever I get like the inkling of inspiration, motivation to work out, I have to take it because that motivation goes faster than this. But anyways, I'm trying to be so much more intentional with my time, and like more recently, just because I feel like it's okay to have days where you're lazy or you just like rest, chill days. Everyone needs those days. I was just taking way too many of them consecutively where it was like, girl, like do something. So I'm really trying to snap out of that and get more intentional. Okay, recycling truck is coming by. I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, I'm just trying to like maximize my time more. Like for example, like one of my like goals to start doing is spending a lot more time outside. So it's like while I'm reading and like chilling, I want to be outside sort of thing. And now that I'm like making this whole book channel, I'm gonna be reading a lot more and just like chilling while reading a lot. But like to maximize my time, if I'm reading while outside or listening to an audiobook while I'm working out, that sort of thing where I'm like doing things at once so that I'm not lazy and I can be more productive. So that's just like my goal right now. Plus also I'm really trying to cook more healthy foods and stuff. I've always tended to eat healthier anyways, but like more recently I've been trying to stay on top of that, because along with my little lazy era came my unhealthy era, eating ramen every day, some days without any fruits or vegetables whatsoever. Just like, guys, my neighbor just walked right in front of my house. He definitely just heard me talking to myself, so that's great. Anyways, long story short, I'm gonna go cook a healthy lunch. I don't know what that'll be yet, but we're gonna cook something up healthy, something good.